Hey everyone, time for another weekly update on our moving on to a cruise ship um, process. So we did something yesterday that we actually found out about on our last cruise. We met a couple that were also living on a cruise ship, and I decided to ask them, like, what do you do with your mail? Because we weren't sure about like, do we just send it to like our parents' address? Do we send it to like a friend's address? And it's kind of a hassle to like have your mails sent to someone's house, and then it's like a pile up in their house. And so anyway, we decided to figure out a plan. So what we did, so this couple told us about this place called Escape Ease Mail Service, and it's for you can receive your mail. It's for people who are digital nomads or just like but mostly it's for people who live in RVs because it's like an RV park in Texas, but they also have locations in Florida and South Dakota. So we picked Texas because because it's a cruise port in Texas, so that kind of helps too. But so we're going to become residents of Texas, like on paper, and then establish like a domain, or I'm sorry, a domicile, like a legal domicile. Um, so yeah, we went to the website and we filled out all the forms. We paid $180, which is then your mailing forward service. That's for a year, and then it's the mail service, and then they also it's $10 extra a month, and they will scan your mail for you, and then they send you the scan, so you can tell them what you don't want. Um, because what they do is so you have the mail sent to this spot in Texas, and they will then send you forward you your mail to wherever you need it to be forwarded to. So if we're like at a hotel in Long Beach, and for a few days we'll have them send the mail to Long Beach, to the hotel, or wherever, anywhere but the cruise ship. Um, so yeah, it's this website if anyone's wondering about it themselves, because it's good to know, because like I said, we had no idea. um so yeah, so I'll just read quickly. It's for as low as 84.15 a year. You get unlimited. um oh wait, no, that's the wrong part. That's like the RV part. So just what I said before, 180, that's the proper price. Yeah, sorry about that. Let's go back. Escapees, here we go. Join escapees. Okay. So anyway, I'm rambling on, but anyway, it's pretty cool service. I'll tell you more about it when we actually get our first mail forwarding and see how it goes. Okay, so edit. Um, yeah, so we did pay 180 yesterday, but it's really like 110 a year, and then the mail forwarding fees and other fees associated with it. And just real quick, I thought I'd just kind of go over it again real quick. So you sign up, and then you get an address. You receive a personal mailbox number, and a street address in your chosen domicile state, which we chose Texas. Um, and then you can use the online tools, um, or you can call to request the forwarding, hold the mail, or you can view the scanned items, which is a $10 a month extra to get the scanning, which is pretty cool. Um, and then yeah, they handle all the mail, so we can just worry about everything else going on in our life. Um, let's see. So I'm just trying to think if there's anything else. This is stuff I wish we'd known about. I mean, I'm glad we know about it now. I'm just trying to see if there's anything else you can talk about. Oh yeah, so different categories. So we chose category B, but so category A forwards you all mail types. Category B forwards you the selected mail types. So it gives you, once you hit the category B, and then it tells you like, do you want to get newspapers, advertisements, political stuff, first class, all the stuff that you can pick that they'll forward to you. And then category C offers custom mail sorting. The annual fee ranged from 110 to 150 depending on the chosen category. A one-time enrollment fee and postage deposit is also required. And we also wanted to know about voting because we want to vote, and so you can vote. You can use the mail service in Texas, Florida, or South Dakota as for legal purposes, including driver's license and voter registration. And that's pretty much it. So if you have any questions about it, please feel free to send me a message uh, in the comment section, and I can give you some more information. So anyway, that's it for today, officially. And we'll see you next week.